गणराय तेरे बिना में और स्तुताय कहाँ चला मैं। आकार लेने लगा ख्वाब मेरा, साकार होते रुका ख्वाब मेरा। मेरे अधूरे काज कर दे तू पूरे आज सारी का पानी का
चोरी से छुप छुप के मैंने चोरी से छुप छुप के तिनका चुन के सपना एक बनाया। डोरी से बुन बुन के मैंने डोरी से बुन बुन के टुकड़ा टुकड़ा सी के सपना एक बनाया। टुकड़ा टुकड़ा सी के सपना एक बनाया। सपने रे सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे हो जाना रे। सपने रे सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे हो जाना रे। रातों को जग जग के मैंने रातों को जग जग के तारा तारा चुन के सपना एक बनाया। तारा तारा चुन के सपना एक बनाया। सपने रे सपने रे सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे हो जाना रे हो जाना रे। सपने रे सपने रे सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे हो जाना रे हो जाना रे। ला 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 ला
बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे। हाले हाले झरोके चल खोले, खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे। दबे दबे पाँव जरा चले आओ, ये पल मिले स्माइल। ये जिंदगी है और क्या, एक चुटकुला हंसते जरा, खफा खफा क्यों है तू। छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे। हौले हौले झरोके चल खोले, खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे। रततता थोड़ी थोड़ी जोरा जोरी, थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरी शोरी कर ले। भोली भाली प्यारी प्यारी यादें सारी झोली में अब भर ले। पपारा थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरा चोरी, थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरी शोरी कर ले। भोली भाली प्यारी प्यारी यादें सारी झोली में अब भर ले। ये जिंदगी है और क्या, एक चुटकुला हंसते जरा, खफा खफा क्यों है तू। छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे। हौले हौले झरोके चल खोले, खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे। रततता
फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है। मैथ्स में रूल्स नहीं है, सिर्फ जादू। तो तैयार हो मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड मैथ्स से दोस्ती करने के लिए?
दो मुर्गी तेरी, दो मुर्गी मेरी, चार तेरे मामे की। सात सुर में जो तीन ताल मिले, धुन बने गाने की। दुनिया है सारी नंबरों से बनी, बक्से से बाहर निहार। हम नजर अभी कीड़े किताबी, टेंशन मत ले यार। बोलो बेटा 1 2 3 4। आस नहीं तो फेल नहीं, आस नहीं तो फेल नहीं, आस नहीं तो फेल नहीं। तो डरना क्या मेरे यार, बोलो बेटा आस नहीं तो फेल नहीं। ये क्लास है कोई जेल नहीं, तू पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं। तू टेंशन मत ले यार। किताबों का रख दो ना नीचे ये भार। इतनी तो हल्की है बॉडी तुम्हारी, हो जाओ उड़ के फरार। बोलो बेटा 1 2 3 4। आस नहीं तो फेल नहीं, आस नहीं तो फेल नहीं, आस नहीं तो फेल नहीं। तो डरना क्यों मेरे यार, बोलो बेटा तो डरना क्या मेरे यार, बोलो बेटा। बोलो बेटा 1 2 3 4। आस नहीं तो फेल
ಹಾರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಗುಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕೊಂಬೈತಲ್ಲ ಬಾಲ ಇದ್ರೂನು ಕೋತಿಯಲ್ಲ
ಪಟ ಹಾರೋ ಗಾಳಿ ಪಟ 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 ಹೋರು ಧೂಳಿ ಪಟ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಷಾಢ ಮೂಡುತ್ತಿದೆ ಗಾಳಿನೂ ಬೀಸುತ್ತಿದೆ
ಪಟ್ಟ ಭೂಮಿನ ತಾಕುತ್ತಿದೆ ದಾರ ನುಡ್ಡಿಲೈತೆ
ಮಂಜ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಬಾ ಮಜ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬಾ ಬಣ್ಣ ಹಚ್ಚೋಣ ಬಾ ಬಾನ ಮುಚ್ಚೋಣ ಬಾ ಪಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರಗತಿಯ ಸಂಕೇತವು
ಪಟ ಪಟ ಹಾರೋ ಗಾಳಿ ಪಟ 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 ಹೋರು ಧೂಳಿ ಪಟ
ಇದು ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಆದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ
ಇದು ಗುಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಆದ್ರೆ ಕೊಂಬೈತಲ್ಲ
ಕಾಲ ಇದ್ರೂ ನೀನಲ್ಲ
ಏ ಏ ಏ
ಪಟ ಪಟ ಹಾರೋ ಗಾಳಿ ಪಟ 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 ಹೋರು ಧೂಳಿ ಪಟ 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 ಹಾರೋ ಗಾಳಿ ಪಟ 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 ಹೋರು ಧೂಳಿ ಪಟ
Okay. Hello. Okay. Structure. Check. Okay. Good. Bravo! That was an amazing performance!
I'm sure you agree with us. Let's start with the next performance. As we move through life, relationships become more and more important. Up next, grade 1A and B is here to show us the beauty of relationships, how we support, care for, and grow with one another. This dance is a tribute to those connections that tie us together across every generation.
Please welcome 1A and B for a relationship dance.
Pre-primary parents, we'll be starting the dispersal for pre-primary now, but we'll be starting the dispersal class-wise. So we'll start the dispersal for nursery, and please exit from door 2 and collect your wards outside the auditorium. Only nursery parents. You will step out only when the announcement is made. Thank you. Nursery parents can step out from door 2 and collect your wards.
ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ ಮೊದಲ ವೀರ, ಬಾಳು ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರ, ಬೆರಗು ಮೂಡಿಸೋ ಜಾದುಗಾರ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಹಗಲು ಬೆವರಿನ ಕೂಲಿಕಾರ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೌಕಿದಾರ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿಸುವ ಸಾಹುಕಾರ ಅಪ್ಪ. గదరో మీసే కార మనసే కోమಲ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೋಳೋ ಕರ್ಣ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಪ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಪ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಪ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಪ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ ಮೊದಲ ವೀರ ಬಾಳು ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರ ಬೆರಗು ಮೂಡಿಸೋ ಜಾದುಗಾರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಪಾಡಿ ಜೋಲ ಪಾಟ ಅಮೃತಾನಿ ಕನ್ನ తీయనంట అమ్మ పాడే లాలి పాట తేనెలూరి పారే ఏరులంట నిండు జాబిని చూపించి రెండు బుక్కలు గిల్లేసి నిండు జాబిని చూపించి గోటితో బుక్కను గిల్లేసి ఉక్కును పట్టి ఊయలలోపే అమ్మ లాలనా ఊపిరి కాసే నూరేళ్ళ నిండు దీవేనా అమ్మ పాడే జోల పాట అమృతాని కన్న తీయనంట కురిసేవాన చినుకులకి నీలి నింగి అమ్మ మొలిచే పచ్చని పైరులకి నేల తల్లి అమ్మ కురిసేవాన చినుకులకి నీలి నింగి అమ్మ మొలిచే పచ్చని పైరులకి నేల తల్లి అమ్మ వీచే చల్లని గాలులకి పూల బొమ్మ అమ్మ ప్రకృతి పాడే పాటలకి నిలకాయలమ్మ సృష్టికి మూలం మమ్మతనం సృష్టికి మూలం మమ్మతనం సృష్టించలేనిది అమ్మ గుణం అమ్మ పాడే జోల పాట అమృతాని కన్న తీయనంట అమ్మ పాడే లాలి పాట తేనెలూరి పారే ఏరులంట फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है ये ना जाने दुनिया में तू है क्यों उदास तेरी प्यासी आँखों में प्यार की है प्यास ला 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 ये ना जाने दुनिया में तू है क्यों उदास तेरी प्यासी आँखों में प्यार की है प्यास आ मेरे पास आ कह जो कहना है एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है
Stolen dreams are gone. I try to stay still. Ain't nothing changed now. We're grown. We're still young, still got our mindless ways in a timeless phase, kicking songs. When I am blind, in my mind, I swear they'd be my rescue, my lifeline. I don't know what I'd do if I'd survive. My brothers and my sisters in my life. I know some people, they would die for me. We run together, they're my family. When I get up, they gon' be high with me. I'll say forever, my family.
Ramesh, there are no vegetables at home. What do I cook for dinner? Please go to the market and get some vegetables. I have told you many a times. Please tell us all things on Saturday. I'll get them on my way home. Sunday is off for me and I just like to relax. Please ask someone else to go and get the vegetables.
Arey, at this age you want me to go and get the vegetables?
Arey Babuji, when did I tell you I asked someone to get it?
I know you were telling it to me indirectly.
अरे आप उसके पीछे क्यों पड़े हो? She worked so hard for all of us. And in return, if he expects one day complete off, then what is the issue? Let him relax, na?
Stop it! What are you guys doing? Is this the place to play?
Dad, he has taken my new Bluetooth speaker. Ask him to give it back to me.
You guys are grown up and I don't see any of you helping around the house. Just chit or chat and chilling out.
Now pass your work to them. Mom's Anmol Ratna. What these children will learn from you.
Dad, I do many chores on my own. Please tell her she doesn't do anything. What do you do? I wake up in the morning on my own. I brush my teeth on my own. I pack my school bag on my own. And I also eat on my own. These are your jobs and you only have to do it. Yes, I agree. But just imagine, if I don't do these tasks, these will be additional tasks for you only, na?
Dad, what kind of jobs are you talking about?
Getting groceries, paying electricity bills, and taking your Dadaji and Dadiji for regular checkup, etc. I only have to do everything here.
Dad, just chill. When you can do all these tasks sitting at home, why do you want us to go out and do it? You know that going out in the sun is not good for my skin, right?
So, you think the grocery guy will come and take your orders from home? Dad, he won't come for us. But in 30 seconds, I can order whatever you want and the item will get delivered in 10 minutes.
Okay, Dad. Tell me what you want from the store and I'll show you.
Okay, order 2 kg potatoes. Let me see who will come and deliver in 10 minutes. Already passed. Where are the potatoes? Is he going to just deliver or will he cook them and deliver? Oh, it got delivered before 10 minutes. क्या बात है? Oh, it's 43 rupees. I don't think I have change. Sir, it's already paid from the UPI. Arey, wow, now we don't have to keep coins in wallet. Arey, but I see it's a bit expensive compared to the local shops here. Sir, there is a convenience fee. What convenience fee? Sir, just imagine. If you need to take your car out to purchase only these 2 kg potatoes, first you need to get ready, then you have to take your car out, then you need to get the parking in the market, and then the parking fee if you park in a parking space or else the traffic fine. बस भाई, ज्ञान के लिए thank you और आलू के लिए भी.
Dad, see, without going out, we solved your problem.
Half of the potatoes received are rotten. What do I do now? How will I cook dinner? Now both of you tell, what's this? It would have been better if you would have gone out and bought those potatoes. Now the potatoes are wasted and so is my money.
Dad, don't worry. They will reimburse the money.
But what about the potatoes? No problem, Dad. Let's try from another app. No ways. I'm not going to pay the convenience fee again. Rather, I would like to save that convenience fee for your next month's tuition fee. Yes, Ganapat. Tell me. Arey, I completely forgot. I'll come to the shop in 30 minutes and then tally the stocks. और भाई लोग, what happened? क्या discussion चल रहा है? And why is Batuk looking so sad? Oi, Ramesh bra, Batuk is facing a lot of issues running his shop due to online stores. Matlab?
Ramesh bhai, because of this app and online issues, there are very few customers in Batuk's shop.
But why? Batuk has been running his shop for more than a decade. Now, how this suddenly?
Ramesh bhai, it's not sudden. It's been happening slowly, and it's not only affected Batuk, but most shopkeeper like us.
I'm not still able to understand. There was a competition before as well.
But Ramesh bhai, previously we were competing with shopkeepers similar to us. But now all these big companies have come and they have started giving heavy discounts which we are not able to match.
But manufacturers cannot give more discounts to different distributors and retailers. Then how come we are not able to match?
What about, say you have an Apple business, how many t-shirts would you order every month?
Around 300 to 500 pieces.
Ramesh, these online companies buy products in big numbers, so they give them extra discount on bulk purchases.
And we had to pay a huge rent for our shop, give salaries to employees, so many types of bills and taxes, and we are left with nothing.
I doubt with these kind of margins, it will be possible for any of us to run our business in the future.
In the coming months, we'll see most of the shops in our area will be shut down and we will not be able to do anything about it, but just watch in despair. Bhai, what happened? Why are you standing here?
I am just listening to your conversation, Sab.
What will you do listening to this conversation?
Sab, this problem is not with you guys only. We also have similar problems.
How come?
Sab, there are lots of companies who now sells milk, other dairy products, and fruits and vegetables online.
Yes, I am aware of that and also the convenience fee attached.
And sir, I have a dairy of course, which is offline. Many people come to my dairy in the evening and I sell milk to them. and some sweet shops nearby. I have also partnered with some app companies and I deliver milk via their platforms during the morning hours. Sir, the business remains the same. Only the method of doing the business has changed. Didi, आलू कैसे दिए?
Sap 20 rupees kg.
Chalo, there's someone at least who is not adding any convenience fee.
Sap, if you would have ordered online, then definitely I would have charged you the convenience fee. Since you're here physically, I have not charged.
Are you also a part of any online app platform?
Yes, sir, we are part of multiple platforms. Sir, why don't you book an auto from any of the apps? They will be here in 2 minutes. But yes, they will charge you the convenience fee.
What happened, Ramesh? You look tensed.
क्या बोलूं बाबूजी? Today I met so many people in the market who are really worried about these online stores and apps.
And how it is affecting you? Arey Ramesh, these things happen in business. There are always highs and lows in business. You don't take too much tension.
How do I not take tension, Babuji? This morning you saw in our own house children were using these apps even for the smallest of the things.
There will be some way, Ramesh. Don't worry too much. It may spoil your health. Go and take some rest.
Ramesh, have you bought the potatoes I asked for? Yes, fresh ones and without any convenience fees. Dad, can we order dinner from outside today? Beta, I'm very tired and I can't go anywhere. Dad, we don't want to go anywhere. We just need to order food from one of the food apps and that'll get delivered in 30 minutes. Stop it! I don't want to hear this nonsense anymore. No one will talk about those wretched apps anymore. You go study for your boards.
What happened to you, Ramesh? Why are you shouting at the children for a small reason?
Rahul, I'm making food. No need to order from outside. And Ramesh, why are you reacting this way for such a small thing? You could say no easily instead of shouting. What is bothering you?
Oh, I got it. Is this the same thing you were discussing with Babuji earlier? I heard that while passing. Sushma and Radhika, I told you both about it, right? Okay, you all discuss. Let me go and do some puja. And Ramesh, don't take too much tension. I'll pray to Lord Ganesha that he takes away all your hurdles.
Yes, Ganapat, tell me, what happened? Oh, really? Don't worry. I'll check with Sushma and Radhika and we'll update you tomorrow. Sushma and Radhika, listen to what Ganapat is saying. You guys took some 300 t-shirts from the shop last month and did not inform me. We need to keep track of each and every piece. We wanted to give you a surprise. What? Surprise? This was rather a shock. Radhika wanted to give you a hand in business during her final year during MBA. However, she was afraid that you will say no to her. That's true. It's time for her to finish her study and not do business like me.
Dad, I know you've been running this business for more than 25 years and you did your best. But now, Everything is getting changed rapidly, and I just wanted to help you in running the business in a modern way.
Really? Now you will help me in my business that I have been running for almost 2.5 decades? Ramesh, don't get angry. First listen to her.
Dad, I took the t-shirts from our shop after taking permission from grandfather and mother. I created a vendor's account in multiple apps and I sold all the 300 t-shirts.
Ramesh, Radhika tried to speak to you regarding these new things 3 years back also, but you were not paying much attention to it. Ramesh, and you would be happy to know that she made a profit of rupees 150 per t-shirt, more than your set profit margins. Wow, so except for me, everyone was a part of this only thing. Ramesh, change is the only constant thing in this world, and I can understand after working for 25 years in the shop, it's very difficult to change yourself. And that's the reason when Radhika asked me about this, I gave her permission.
Sorry, Dad. Without knowing what mood you're in, I bugged you for ordering food from outside.
Dad, Rahul also helped me in setting the online store.
Very good and proud of you guys. Rahul, want to order food from one of your food apps? I still need to give you convenience fee for setting up the online business.
जिद्दी है हम नहीं मानेंगे, करते ही जाएंगे बदमाशियाँ। कह दो ये जमाने वालों से, नए छीने हमसे आजादियाँ। है दिल में जो कहना है जैसे वैसे ही रहना है। ओ एक जिंदगी है, ज्यादा नहीं पर थोड़ा तो बिगड़ेंगे। हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, थोड़ा और बिगड़ेंगे। हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, थोड़ा और बिगड़ेंगे। हम नहीं सुधरेंगे। कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये जमाना। जब साज है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना, जब साज है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना। गाएंगे हम अपने दिलों का तराना, बिगड़ने भी दो दुनिया, झगड़ने भी दो दुनिया, लड़ने भी दो अपनी धुने गाओ, दुनिया रूठे टूटने दो, बंधन टूटे टूटने दो, छूटे छूटने दो ना घबराओ। हम हैं नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना, हम हैं नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना। like a fool. Why my daddy cool? I'm crazy like a fool. Why my daddy cool? Daddy, daddy cool. Daddy, daddy cool. Daddy, daddy cool. Daddy, daddy cool.
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तो कौम पे लुटाए जा, कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा। ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तो कौम पे लुटाए जा। आगे बढ़, मरने से फिर भी तू न डर, उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर, जो बेवतन बढ़ाए जा। तुझे हिंद आगे बढ़, मरने से फिर भी तू न डर, उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर, जो बेवतन बढ़ाए जा, बढ़ाए जा, गीत गाए जा। ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा।
हिंदुस्तान चुप नहीं बैठेगा, ये नया हिंदुस्तान है, ये घर में घुसेगा भी और मारेगा भी। इंडियन आर्मी ने जंग शुरू नहीं की थी, बट वी विल ब्लडी हेल फिनिश इट।
चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा।
He's one of a kind. Don't know what he's got in mind. Strength that no one can fight. Greater than what's on your mind. He's on the board. He's on the board. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕೂಸು ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಜೇಮ್ಸ್ ಬಾಂಡಿಗೂನು ಬಾಸು ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸೂರ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಾರಾಮು ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾಗೆ ಚಂದ ಮಾಮು ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸಚಿನ್ ಹಿಡಿಯೋ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿನಲ್ಲೂ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಟಿನಲ್ಲೂ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸುನಾಮಿಲಿ ಬೀಟ್ ಹಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದೋ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಾಂಡ್
నాదే ఈ పక్కా నాదే తలపైన ఆకాశం ముక్కా నాదే ఆ తప్పు నేనే ఈ ఒప్పు నేనే తప్పు కరెక్టే నన్నైతే పుట్టకూడ పున్నీదే పుట్టలేదు పుట్టాడా అది మళ్ళా నేనే నన్ను చేయని తోడు ఇంకోడున్నాడు తోడు ఇవ్వడంటే అది రేపటి నేనే నే తిప్పానా మీసం నా సేతిలోన కొట్టల నా సేలిస్తే ఎంతం నా సైకందే సంధికట ఏ బిడ్డ ఇది నా అడ్డ ఏ బిడ్డ ఇది నా అడ్డ నే సేపతో తిరిగొస్తా చేస్తా నే జెండాలా ఎగిరేస్తా నేను మట్టిలో నే ఖరీదైన ఖనిజంలా మళ్ళీ దొరికేస్తా Never got to be
सुन के फ्लावर समझे क्या? फ्लावर नहीं, फायर। पुष्पा पुष्पा असल तक के दिल है।